how to blur video background on CapCut PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur a video background in CapCut on your PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Open the CapCut app on your PC. To begin, import your video into CapCut by dragging it into the timeline. Next, right-click on the video in your timeline and select Copy. Then right-click again and choose Paste. Now you'll see that you've created a duplicate layer right on top of the original. Make sure the duplicate is perfectly aligned with the first one so everything stays in sync. Click to select the top video layer, then go over to the top right panel, find Video, and click Remove BG. Here, you're going to use Auto Background Removal, which will automatically cut out your subject from the background. Just a heads up, Auto Background Removal is a CapCut Pro feature, so you'll need a subscription to export your project if you don't already have it. Once the background has been removed from the top layer, go to the left side of the screen and click on Effects. In the search bar, type Blur to find the Blur Effect options. Choose the blur you prefer, then drag and drop it onto the original video layer underneath. You'll see the background become blurred while your subject stays clear on top. If you'd like, you can adjust the blur strength in the settings to make it more or less blurry. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.